All right, so here's a case where if you were looking to solve this, you might isolate your exponent, but even if you do, there's no way that you can rewrite the base of both sides in the same way. Okay, so if that's not a possibility, you need to follow these steps. Okay, as I said, you look to isolate the expression that has your variable. Okay, so here we would add 6 to both sides. So you get e to the minus 6 is equal to 15. Okay, and then your next step would be to do one of two things, and they really wind up becoming the same thing. They're both the same thing. But if you take the log of both sides, okay, so here if we took the log of both sides, now you can use the natural log as well. The only time, I mean, you can do either one, but if you have a base e, for sure use the natural log. If you have a base 10, for sure use the common log because that's its base as well. Anything else, you can choose either one. So I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. And then what you can do is simplify the result. So we can go through the properties of the logs and powers inside. The power property moves this power out front. Negative x ln of e is equal to ln of 15. And we can still use the property. Since the natural log has a base of e, and the value in this log is the same as that base, what is the ln of e equal to? 1. So again, the ln of e is equal to 1, just like any log base a of a is equal to 1. Because again, the unwritten base is e. So this has a value of 1, which means negative x is equal to ln of 15, or if you divide by negative 1, you get x is equal to negative ln of 15. And now another way to think of this second step, and all we really did right here, is you rewrote your equation as a log. I'm sorry, as an exponent. Oops, other way around. So you rewrote this as a log. Okay, because if I took this equation right here, e to the minus x is equal to 15, and if I rewrote this as a log, I would take a log with the base the same as the base of my exponent, which is base e, and then again kind of think of what we're looking at. E to this power, which is negative x, is equal to what's inside the log, 15. Well, what is log base e? Log base e is natural log. So ln of 15 is equal to negative x, and that gets me right to this step. Okay, so you can think of it either way. You can either take the log of both sides, or you can rewrite your equation in its log form, whichever one is easiest for you to think about. I go through that. Let me just confirm this here with the calculator really quickly. So you can use your calculator to solve this, just like any other solve feature. If we take e to the power of negative x, subtract 6 from that, set it equal to 9, solve for x. When I hit enter, I see negative ln of 15, which it confirms what we got by hand.